Hello friends, welcome back to Teach tutorial now. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button. Go to your control panel and then click on the hardware and sound. After that, click on the power setting, then change plan setting. After that, click on the change advanced power setting and click on the USB setting. Then click on the USB selective suspend setting. Then friends, if it is enabled, make it disabled. If it disabled, make it enable. Sometimes it does not work, so follow this step, then USB device will recognize. So I hope you like this tutorial. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.